Yeah, I have a question. I just have a question. I gotta know this. Let's say my name's Dre Book, by the way. You walking. Let's say like you walking down like you walk up into the movies or something like that, and you with your woman, okay? Let's call her Amanda. You know what? Let's call her Stacy. I'm tired of Amanda. Amanda is boring me. You know what I'm saying? Call her Stacy. You and Stacy walk into a movie theater. You see a big dude, like 6'4", 285 pounds. Big dude. Big dude like Samoan. And he like, hey dog. Let's say you casually bump into him on accident. You know, you're trying to make your way to the ticket counter. He up there already got his tickets, but he feels like he should stand there and have a conversation with some scared small person beside him. You accidentally bump him. Sure. Oh, my bad, homie. It's like, hey, dog. Watch where you going, son. Next time you come in my direction, woo! Let's just say your girl don't want to be here for that. Alright? And he's saying stuff like that. And you're like, oh snap, his intimidation factor. You gotta say it's about at 11 or 12 if you go on a scale of 10, right? Okay, let's say this happened though. Let's say some dust happens to kid his nostril area. You know, causing him to sneeze. And let's say this is how he sneezes. He's like, yeah, dog, yeah, what? Yeah. Now tell me, would you still be as intimidated by this dude, or would you think, dude, what happened there, man? Did one of them pop? What was that? Yeah. I mean, what would be your reaction? Would you be scared of him anymore? No, I'm for myself, I don't know. This is a question I want people to answer. Leave a comment. Let me know, what would your reaction be due to a crazy behind fairy style sneeze coming from a big scary guy? Leave your comments. Alright.